Welcome to Founders Future, a podcast powered by Closers.io, where we dive into the journeys of innovative entrepreneurs and explore the road ahead for them and their companies. I'm your host, Jae Encarnacion, and in each episode, we uncover the stories behind impactful ventures, the challenges faced along the way, and the strategies driving their future growth. Today, we are thrilled to have Rimjhim, the founder of MIST Accounting. Rimjhim is a qualified, chartered, certified accountant with a passion for helping clients navigate UK tax complexities, from personal tax advice to corporation tax guidance. Based in India, MIST Accounting Service serves clients globally, claiming 115 happy clients and 120 projects completed since its inception. We'll be exploring her entrepreneurial journey, how her business empowers clients to grow, and her vision for scaling this impactful venture. So let's dive right in. Rimjhim, welcome to Founders Future.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Thank you for onboarding me for this. It's like a pleasure to share my story and my founding journey so that I can inspire others also.
Amazing. I love it. I
That's
love
it.
it. So if you can start at the beginning for us, for our listeners here, what specific problem in the accounting or tax landscape inspired you to start MIST Accounting, Rimjhim?
So basically, I haven't started this as a normal journey. It was just a depressful journey for which I have started my this accounting company. My journey to entrepreneurship wasn't born out of ambition that I need to start my business or something. It was born from survival.
Yeah.
Actually, when my husband sent me divorce papers and took my child with him and filed guardianship case, I was falsely claiming that I'm suffering from bipolar disorder and my whole world like collapsed and shattered. So just out of all the trauma and legal issues, I started this my journey to fight to protect my journey, dignity, and motherhood.
I love it.
Like this decision started out of the darkness that I have to take control to charge of my life. It just not only supported myself, but to build the life of stability, independence, and strength. I started this missed accounting. I wanted every client I serve, every challenge I overcome, every milestone I reach is a reminder of my reliance. I don't want to just have a like depressed life that what's going around me, that I have lost my family. Like I have just started my family and I just lost in 2.5 years. But I took courage and started to have a mission driven vision, like to help others to find clarity, direction, financial confidence, especially through navigating personal and professional up. So that I am suffering from whatever it is, but I don't want to show the world that from what I am suffering. I just wanted to have a stability to prove myself. So that's my founding journey.
I love it. It's so incredibly inspiring, Rimjhim. It's incredible to hear everything that you've gone through to get to where you are today. But clearly, you are persevering and you're working hard to be able to get that back and be with your son and also be a founder and running a business and seeing success at the same time. So, just incredible and such an honor to be able to have you talk that through. So, I would love for you to walk us through Mist Accounting and how you're generating revenue today with the company. So, as far as the core offer, what are you offering to your clients when they come to work with you? And who is the ideal client that you like to work with?
So if I stay with the business strategy, it's I have built it to provide the high value relationship driven services. I don't want to just go beyond in today messy world. We all are running behind just money, just make the money. Nobody cares about the feelings or the effort of the other person, what they are dealing with. So instead of chasing around the volume, I focus on building trust and offering tailored solution that truly supports my client growth. I attract clients through content, referral, and other strong presence. So I just trying to focus on building trust, visibility, and value.
I love it. I love it. So, who is your ideal client that you like to work with? So, you're offering personal tax advice, corporation tax guidance. You have that tailored solution that you provide for them? Who's your ideal client?
When before the marriage, I was working for a corporate company. In that, I just found my one client. And with that, I was doing a personal, I was the only person who was handling that client. So I just wanted that maybe I get some contract from him, but not at the moment. But I'm at the start of my journey like now. But I just want from whom I just learn as when I joined the company, I was just, I can say, only know the theoretical skills like in the accounting. He is the one who taught me how to manage clients. It's a portfolio of 150 plus clients, and my manager also helped me, but giving the ownership, control, accountability to a person to handle all his client, all his work, he show me the trust. So I just wanted that maybe someday he again show me trust and give the work to me. That's
I love it. I love it. So as of right now, you don't have any clients yet, but now you're looking to start building and get some clients in.
Yeah, yeah, I just started my journey in May only that I built my website and just taking the customer reviews with the person, the colleagues I have worked with. So at the moment, I'm just trying to build my website, my client reviews more. And so through the word of mouth and gestures and content marketing, I will reach my clients.
I love it. I love it. So on that, talk to us a little bit about your plan on the marketing side to acquire new leads. You know, the word of mouth, of course, you have to start getting some clients to get traction there. So what are you going to start doing to get some more clients into the website? Are you going to start using social media more, maybe run some ads? What are you thinking about to get some clients into the business?
At the moment, I'm just active on social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also I have Google reviews of 68 around. So I'm daily posting on social media and showing the importance of accountants in their life. Everyone thought that accounting is just filing the tax returns. But no, that's not the case. We need accountant so that it's not just a number crunching, it's the way that how you analyze your business, your statements. Everyone think that once the year is ended, now we need to think about our accounts and pay the taxes. But they don't understand like from the first day only. If we say in India we have a different accounting year, in every country we have different accounting year. From the day one only, you need to understand that you need to manage your expenses in that way so that you can be profitable. But how the businesses think, they just end their year and then they start analyzing their business. Ki, what happened, where we lied, where we lacked. No, if we analyze it in beforehand, then you can be much more profitable.
I love it. I absolutely love that. So really just utilizing social media and organic growth. Have you thought about doing some ads or maybe working with a company to help you do some ads to get your name out there more?
Yeah, I will start it, but initial stage, so I'm liking the funds also. So I will start later stage doing taking the help of Google Ads or Instagram or other LinkedIn also. So at the moment, it's just a bottleneck for me that I'm a single-handedly managing all the marketing, sales. So
You're running the show.
I'm that stage of life.
Yeah, you're a solopreneur. You're running the show by yourself, but that's the
Yeah.
beauty, right? And that's why I love hosting the show because I have many solopreneurs that come on the show, Rimjhim, and it's really tough, right? To run a business on your own, but it's the perseverance to work through all of the bottlenecks that you have, and then in about a year or 2 years from now, you're seeing success. You can hire a team and have some sustainability here. So incredible to just to hear your drive and your passion and what you're doing to really provide that value so far and what you're planning to do to get there. Talk to me about your vision for the company, Rimjhim. What do you see missed accounting turning into over the next 6 months to a year? And what are you going to do to position yourself to achieve all the goals that you have set out?
So my goals are just to firstly focus to scale up with the structure and strategy. Like I'm first aim is to build a consistent lead generation system so that I can reduce dependency on word of mouth. Secondly, I plan to delegate admin and marketing tasks and freeing up my time for client services and business development. Then I'm looking for improving client onboarding, and intention is also the key. Additionally, I have worked on increasing brand visibility through content and collaboration. Lastly, I want to streamline and package my services for easier sales and delivery. These priority will help creating sustainable long-term growth with less overhead. Like at the moment, I have so much on my plate that from the when I start my day, I'm just rolling here and there what to start. Like either I have to today go for lead generation, or either I have to go for the marketing one. Like what I do from the start of the day, I just post on every social media to encourage the people to hire the accountants. Then I just looking for the like content marketing. So all the things are going on at the moment. So I just wanted to some have a free up time so that
Yeah.
I can just focus to satisfy my clients.
I love it. I absolutely love that. And that's the beauty, right? And the tough part about having to juggle and wear so many different hats as a founder is you have to get your name out there. And then once you get the clients, you have to support them and do the work and be there. Truly commend you. And you should be very proud of yourself, Rimjhim, for everything that you've been able to accomplish this far. And with that, with your mindset, you will continue to be able to achieve some incredible things. So truly amazing hearing what you're doing so far. So I would love to hear from you. How do you see the accounting industry evolving in the coming years here, Rimjhim, especially with your international focus on UK tax services? What are you doing to position yourself ahead of that?
So in my point of view, the accounting and consulting industry is rapidly evolving. Like we having a automated AI, cloud tools, all these are transforming the way the services are being delivered. The clients now expect more than just compliance. They just need a real-time advice, insight, and strategic guidance. They don't want to wait for a year, then they will look upon the results or everything. They just need a real-time guidance so that they can stay with the trends and manage the business on real-time basis.
Mm.
So I wanted that my company that I grow in future years that it offer the advisory driven services like accountancy, preparing tax returns. That's everyone are doing, but to be a different to niche on a line, I just want to have a technology so that I can simplify the processes the businesses are running out and focus on client relationship over transactions. I just don't want to just prepare the accounts, prepare the tax return, that's it. No, I just want to dig deep down in the business that where they are lacking so that main thing is they would be lacking somewhere. So
Mm.
I just wanted to know the problem of the business and so that I can help them in improving them and doing everything. Currently, at the moment, maybe from my brand name, it would be like I just work on the accounting terms, but I just mainly want to work on the advisory terms also. I need to just look upon into the business strategies and everything so that I can help them in just not only improving the income, but also to increase their expenses.
Love it. I absolutely love that. So with that, I would love to take us into the lightning round here before we wrap up the show, Rib Jim. And the first question I have for you on this side is about a tool or a resource. Maybe it's a tax regulation insight or a client management strategy. But what do you feel is the biggest game changer for missed accounting on a tool or resource side?
So for in the game changer, I think at the moment I'm just in touch with the LinkedIn. So that's I find that it's a professional site where I can find my clients. It's a more organized one that in this early stage when time and energy are limited, I don't want to juggle on different platforms. I just wanted to focus on one so that there I can find the professional bodies and my clients. And moreover, I will use the Google Workspace also to do the email marketing that I will maybe in the really near future, I will start sending the newsletters so that I can promote my business.
Mm.
So now I'm just focusing on servicing the clients. This I want to highlight my things that it what convenience I wanted to provide to the company so that it will give me confidence also and my clients also.
I love it. So with that, are you using AI at all?
I'm just at the moment using the chat GPT, not much tools, because at the moment the I lack the funds that if I keep on spending on different platforms, so I will not able to focus on the main thing that I wanted to reach the clients.
I
At the
love it.
moment, I'm just saving my crunches.
Yeah, no, trust me, I get it. And that's part of the journey, right? Just start it all and you need to really start going above and beyond. So you're doing the right things there. So I have one more question for you, Rimjhim, before we wrap up the show here today. And that's going to be as far as a piece of advice. What is a piece of advice that you can give to our listeners, other founders, entrepreneurs who are just starting out as well? What can you offer them before we wrap up the show?
Yes, for the ones who are just started their journey, my advice would be don't wait to feel ready. Start before you are fully prepared. Because if you keep on thinking that I'm not prepared, I need perfection before I just plan out everything, then I will execute. So it's okay. We need planning, we need blueprints of our business, but we don't have to stay at the moment that before taking any action I just be fully prepared. It's okay, in the journey you will learn yourself. It's an ongoing journey. Like we say, destination is not important, your journey is important. So there will be doubts, setbacks, slow days, but every step forward counts. So I just say, you have to take step ahead. Trust yourself. You already done the hardest part. Like you started it. So just take the execution and do it.
I love it. I love it. With that right there, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap up another inspiring episode of Founders Future. Rimjhim, I just want to thank you so much for coming on the show, sharing your incredibly inspiring journey and your insights with us. And it's clear as day, if you stick with what you're doing and you continue to work at it, you're going to see some incredible success. So truly an honor and a pleasure to have you on the show today, Rimjhim. And to our listeners, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Founders Future wherever you listen to your favorite podcast. You can also check out Mist Accounting at mistaccounting.info for their expert tax services and reach out via email at misttaxation@gmail.com. For more resources and insights, you can visit closers.io, where we are dedicated to helping businesses accelerate their growth through trained appointment setters and world-class marketing systems. Until then, keep climbing, and we will see you on the next one.